What's up, guys? Mr. Yates here. Today we're going to take a look at a word problem that involves our knowledge of both area and perimeter. Whoa. Alright, so this says create a rectangle that has the same area but a different perimeter as the rectangle below. Okay, the first thing we need to do is look at the rectangle below. We can see that it is 8 inches long and 3 inches wide. So the first thing I'm going to do with this information is I'm going to find the area of that shape. So I know in order to find the area, I'm going to multiply my length times my width. So 8 times 3, or I could skip count by 8s, 8, 16, 24. The area of this rectangle is 24 square inches. Cool. Now the next thing I want to do is find the perimeter of this rectangle here. Now one common mistake I see sometimes is when people find the perimeter of rectangles, they might look at this one and say, well, 8 plus 3 is 11. And that's true. 8 plus 3 is 11. But remember that with perimeter, we want to add up all of the sides. And we don't have those two right there. So we need to fill them in using what we know about rectangles. And in rectangles, I know that my opposite sides are equal. So I know if this side's 3 right here, then this side must also be 3 inches. If this is 8 up here, then this has to be 8 down here. Good. So now I have all 4 sides, so I can add them all up and get my perimeter. So I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, 8 plus 8 is 16, so I'm going to write a little problem down here. 16 plus 6 equals 22. Awesome. So my perimeter is going to equal 22 inches. Awesome. That's a big part of this problem here. Now we can go back to the original problem and kind of read a little bit differently, because now I feel like we're answering a different question. Create a rectangle that has the same area, so a rectangle that has the area of 24 square inches, but a different perimeter. So any perimeter that's not 22 inches. Okay, I think we do that. Let's start with the area. I know that if I want to create a rectangle with an area of 24 square inches, I need to think of 2 other factors of 24 that aren't 8 and 3. Oh, I know, 6 and 4. Let's make a rectangle that is 6 units long and 4 units wide. I'm going to go ahead and label that 6 inches and 4 inches. Cool. So I know that if I multiply 4 by 6, I'm going to get 24. Let me skip count. I'm going to skip count by 6's. Let's go 6, 12, 18, 24. So my area, again, is 24 square inches. Cool. Same area, same area. Awesome. Now I need to find the perimeter. I'm going to do that by, same as over here, filling in the sides that I don't know, because I need all 4 sides to find my perimeter. So I know that this side down here must be 6 inches, and this side over here must be 4 inches. Cool. Now I can add all them up and find my perimeter. I know 4 plus 4 is 8, and I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm going to add 8 and 12 down here, and that's going to give me 20. So my perimeter in my second shape is 20 inches. And now we look back at our problem. They have the same area, and the perimeter here is 22, and here is 20. So this works.